Hello friends. Now I'm with another questions and that is from regex. So best practice for the Mr. Mistress and a Miss. So it is for practice purpose. This question never asked to me in any interview, but for regex practice I have made it. I will show you how it is working. Okay, so I will run it and we'll check. So it's working. Okay, so how it get the name? Okay, so in that string I have taken the Mr. and dot and after that ms and mrs and I have put the this one odd option. So odd option will divide the string and find it if it is present. Then we'll put s and w. What is star means? Star means one or more. Plus means zero or more. Okay. Here dot will print dot and question mark will print zero or one. Okay. So okay, it will give a result in fractions of second. I think we'll debug it and we'll see. So one RE module called it came. If your regex is correct, then result will come in fraction of second. If regex is mismatch anything, it will give the empty result. Suppose I have added something here. Okay, so it will give the something came. Okay, okay. Then I put something RT something. We'll see. See, if even you have written the correct index, correct regex, and we will done and we will get the MPT multiple times. So we have to write correct regex, then only will come the correct output. Okay. So okay. Thank you for watching.